Here it is. .9 beast, no turbo, and no transmission at the time, as you can see here. Well, something bad happened there, and until I'll remove the gearbox, I'm not gonna see what's what. But that hole you can see there, that's not supposed to be there. Oh well. Except for that, car's pretty decent shape. There's some damage here on the front headlight, but headlight is like €5 or whatever, so that's not an issue. Well, bigger issue is that gearbox, but what can you do? Just gonna move along, one thing at a time. Other thing is that windshield. There's one crack here, as you can see. There's another crack over there, and to make it a hat trick, there's a third one. So the windshield has to be new. Tires pretty decent. 14-inch tires. That's like a toy size at this day of age, but they're gonna do a good job. As you can see, they're winter tires, so they're perfect for the summer, and they're from 2017, 37th week of production, so it's good. It's still good for like 2-3 years at least. Car has no rust underneath. As you can see, there's like small damage here, but there's just nothing. That's from jacking it properly, probably. Like in here, you can see someone tried to jack it and didn't know that you have to jack it in this spot right here, where you have this triangle stamped on the side seal. Yeah, faded fender. Yeah, that's why the gearbox don't work, because the fender's faded. It's obvious, right? So moving along, best part of this car is the equipment that came from factory, and this piece of equipment is right here, as you can see. Air condition. Yeah, 40,000 kilometers on the clock, brand new. I will look on the back from the inside. Somebody tried to do something over here. It looks decent, so it's gonna be left for now. And here we go. That's the worst spot of rust on the car. It started bubbling right here. It's manageable. The inside is pretty good. Just started to go. The other side's perfect of this wheel arch. Of course, the other one also has some damage. Right, here's the cargo space. Looks pretty good, if you ask me. I'm just gonna do something of my own over here, of course, like everybody, but for now it's good. Right, now we have second spot of rust on the whole car. As you can see, there's slight deterioration right here. You can see it's just starting to go, so it's still early to take care of it. And right here also, like every other Caddy, you can see some small rust spot right there. But underneath, The car is really clean. You can see right here also it just started to bubble, so that's nothing to worry about. Also there's some spots right here which will be taken care of later. For now it's pretty good. I think it's from rock chips or something. That's what I think. But the whole car is gonna be painted anyway, so it's not that bad actually. Over here you can see that the timing belt has been done about 20,000 kilometers before, or 120,000 kilometers before. It's hard to say judging on the sticker, so I'm gonna just remove the cover and just take a look. Judging by the state of the accessory belt, it could be even 120,000, but we'll see. Over here you can see the oil from the gearbox that's sprayed on the wall right here, and over here you can see the gearbox from the other side. The gear linkage looks fine, but yeah, we'll investigate further. The engine has no leaks, and that's the important part. Runs pretty good. Car doesn't drive obviously because of that faded fan from the fender, but otherwise it's pretty good. I already removed the cover from the bottom, so you can see for yourself that it's really decent shape. Right here we have a leak from the gearbox, from that big hole, of course, from the top. It just sprayed it all over the car. Right, so yeah, there we go. Let's first look on our Caddy. You can see the axles here, they're pretty decent shape as well. It's gonna be a fun car. The suspension is almost brand new, and I love the color. It really makes it pop. Well, maybe not over here, but you know, generally the yellow is really nice. It looks really decent. So yeah, there you go. That's the first look at our €300 Volkswagen Caddy.